This video is for the person who says, there's no hair on the bedspread. There's the doggy chewed up remote. Who would that be? There's a lot of hair. Oh, that would be the source of the hair, who needs to be brushed. Libby. Hi. And the other source of the hair. She was dreaming and barking in her sleep, but when I got the camera out, she stopped. She's tired. Yeah, I'd say there's some hair on this bedspread. Just a little bit. Yep. Oh my. Time to get it washed. Sleepy girls. Sleepy girls.